As you welcome new employees into your growing business, it's important to make them feel like a welcome addition to the team. Whether you're greeting new hires on their first day or leading a training seminar, going out of your way to make everyone feel appreciated is beneficial for your bottom line. Hiring new employees takes time, and training can be both time-consuming and expensive. But losing a good employee can cost you even more. According to HR Drive, poor onboarding is one of the leading reasons why employees quit within their first 90 days at a new company. To improve your company's onboarding experience and greatly increase employee retention, try adding a simple and effective employee welcome package to your orientation process. Promotions Now can help you get started. Here are a few of our top new employee welcome gift ideas and tips on how to assemble a meaningful package. If you're looking to create a gift package containing several branded items, our advice is to skip the gift bag and use a reusable grocery tote, cinch pack, or lunch cooler. Water bottles are a practical and universal gift. Your latest hire might not drink coffee or tea, but everyone drinks water. You don't want your employees showing up to meetings without a means to take notes, so why not provide them with a journal? Office supplies like mouse pads or pens are essentials your staff will use every day. When it comes to new employee onboarding, the important thing is to make them feel like a valued member of your team. All it takes is a little consideration and a few custom printed gifts with your logo. Contact Promotions Now and we can help develop a new hire kit just right for you. We provide packaging, fulfillment, and drop shipping services as well. Just ask.